All right, this is Harlequin and Jester in here. Wish I could get there. There's Harlequin. Hi, there's Harlequin. Hi, there's Jester. Hey, puppies. Hi, hi, there's Harlequin. It's a pretty girl. And Jester. Yeah, I think that's Jester. Wait a minute, let me make sure. Yeah, that's Jester. Okay, and over here we have Bozo. That's Bozo. And I think that's Bozo. Let me see. Yeah, no. That's not Bozo. That's Joker. That's Joker. And this is Mime. Okay, Joker and Mime. Okay. Mime is wagging her tail, and Joker's there, right there, to the back, to the right. Yeah, there he is. What a good boy. And there's Mime. Yeah. Say hi to your mommies. They want to see you. Mime is the laid-back one. She's coming out of her shell a little, though. She is a little bit shy and reserved. Hi. Hi, Mime. I don't call them by name. I'm just saying it for you guys so you know who's who. And that's Joker. A good boy. Are you being a good boy? Huh? Yeah. And then over here we have Bozo. That's Bozo. And to the left is Comic. And I believe they're calling him, I can't remember. I was going to say Fletcher, that's it. Yeah, see, he's a very friendly, yes, I'm loving friendly. Yep, Bozo to the right, and Comic to the left. Yeah, these are good boys. Are you the good boys? Oh, well. You're talking to me, huh? Oh, okay. Yeah. You are just like your mommy, Comic. Yes, you are. Yes. Yeah. Hi, Bozo. Hey, Comic. Hey, good boy. Oh, you're a good boy. Okay. And then, peeking through, is Snoopy. He's going home tomorrow. And there's Mommy to the 6 Comic and Bozo and Jester. And she's playing on the floor with the other girls. This is playtime in the morning. Playtime and cleanup time. And the boys are outside. This is Curio. She's also a puppy out of the same mommy as Comic and Jester. My battery's going bad, so time to shut off.